Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Soumya Pradeep and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare samosa chat. It's everybody's favorite and also it's one among the Indian famous street food. Hope everybody are aware of it, and if you guys haven't tried this dish, I'm gonna show you how to prepare it and also share with your friends and families. So let's get started.
So basically I want to start with by adding 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and pinch of asafoetida, at the same time keep your samosas and boiled chickpea ready. Keep it other side. Mix the ingredients and later add green chili. Here I have taken only 2 green chilies and chop them. Now I'm going to add half chopped tomato, After a minute pan frying the tomatoes, it's time to add boiled chole. Mix with the paste. At the same time, I'm going to add red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, chaat masala, salt, I'm going to add a tablespoon of green chutney. For the green chutney recipe, you can follow the link down below. Allow this to cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm going to add the crushed samosa. Mix it well. Saute the mix for 2 minutes. Later off the gas and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. Now take the small amount of samosa chat in a bowl. I'm going to spread a layer of sweetened curd where it's a mixture of sugar and curd. Later a tablespoon of tamarind chutney and a tablespoon of green chutney. Pinch of chaat masala, pinch of red chili powder, and a pinch of turmeric powder just for the color, and coriander leaves, and a pinch of salt. You can also add another layer of sweetened curd and green chutney for the flavor. Samosa chat is ready to serve. You can add save for extra flavor.
Hope you all enjoyed the video and share with your friends, like my video, and don't forget to subscribe down.